Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing two-digit addition, and later in the next video I'll be teaching you more about three-digit addition. So to start, we're going to do a review of some of the strategies that Mrs. Morace showed you last week in her videos. Here's a problem with two-digit addition. 54 plus 38. One addition strategy that we can use is an open number line. So I'm going to show you how you would solve that. You'd start by making your open number line. And then I'm going to start with my first number, 54. And I'm going to mark my number line with that starting number, 54. And then I want to add 38 to 54. So I'm going to start by adding my tens first. And I have 30, 3 tens. So I'm going to make 3 big hops for my tens. 10, 20, 30. And then I'm going to add my ones. I have 8 ones. So I'm going to make 8 small hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this would be my final answer. Now I'm just going to count my numbers to check to see what my final answer is. Here I have plus 10. So that would get, and this is a 10, and this is a 10. And then I'm going to add my ones. So when I count that out, I have 54 plus 10 is 64, plus another 10 is 74, plus another 10 is 84. And then I'm going to count my ones. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92 is the final hop. So my final answer is 92. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the same problem, but with a different strategy. This time I'm going to use base 10 blocks with a picture to solve the problem. So I'm going to start with my big number on top, with the number on top. It's 54. So I'm going to draw a picture of my tens and my ones to make 54. I have 5 tens, and then I have 4 ones. 54. Plus, underneath it, I'm going to add my 38 by making my tens and my ones and lining them up so that all of my tens are underneath, are on top of each other, and all of my ones are on top of each other. So in 38, I have 3 tens and 8 ones. Okay, so I want to add those together. I'm going to start by adding my ones. I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. Uh-oh, there's a problem. I can't put 12 ones in my ones place. There's just not enough room. So I'm going to make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a 10 here that I can, 10 ones that I can make as a 10. So I'm going to circle those to show that I've made a 10. Now I'm going to add them together. I have 2 ones left over that I didn't make a 10 with. So I have a 2 in my ones place, and then I have in my tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So I'm going to put my answer in my tens place. My answer is 92. Look, it's the same as the answer that I got in the open number line. The next strategy I'm going to show you is the up-down strategy with trading. And that's the one where we just place our numbers up and down like this. So I'll move the numbers over here so you can see a little better. 54 plus 38. With this strategy, it's important to make sure you keep your numbers lined up so that your ones digits in both numbers are on top of each other and your tens digits are up on top of each other. If you have to, separate your tens and your ones. These are my ones and these are my tens, okay? So now I'm going to start with this strategy by adding my ones place first. 4 plus 8 is, you guessed it, 12. But there's a problem. I can't put 12 in my ones place because it has 2 digits. So I'm going to make my cloud over to the side and put it aside and think about it. I can separate this 12 into its tens and its ones. So if I break it apart, I have 1 10 and I have 2 ones left over. That makes 12. Well, my 2 ones that are left over, I can simply put in my ones place. But my 10 needs to be brought over to, you guessed it, the tens place. So I'm going to bring it over here and make a little box on top and put my 1 right in the tens place. Now that I've done that, I can simply just add all my ones. I have 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 more is 92. Look at the answers. They're all the same. Those are the 3 strategies that you can use to help you with adding 2-digit numbers.